The cutting tool cuts out the neck position. Black air-dried clay added to resin clay for the back of the head. Add ears. Water pen to smooth the marks. Soft pen adjusts ear shape. Take a small piece of clay and roll it into a shuttle shape and flatten it. Cut out the shape of the hairpiece. Cut the ends. Needle extrusion hair marks. Adjust the curvature of the tail. The hairpiece is pasted in the middle of the forehead. You can press a whole sheet of clay first. Cut long strips. Cut out the shape of the hairpiece. Needle extrusion hair marks. Put on school glue. Cut a slender strip. Adjust radians. Stick to the gap between the two hairs. Adjust the curvature of the tail. Stick to the right side of the face. Stick to the sideburns. Same for the left sideburns. The clay with split ends needs to be scratched with the needle. Cut the fork position. Curved out of the tail. Stick to the sideburns. Next, stick the hairpiece on the back of the head. Smooth the roots as much as possible. Each piece of hair is next to the previous piece of sticker. Hair with two ends. Needle scratches hair marks. Put another piece close to the root behind the ear. The second layer of clay is first pasted with 3 hair forks in the middle. Closest to the ear is a hair fork. The needle adjusts the hair behind the ear. Scissors cut excess dirt on top of the head. The hair on the left sideburns, where the bangs are connected, is longer. Alcohol wipes smooth the top of the head. Cut 3 small shuttles and stick them on the top of the head. The end of the hair is tilted up. The last thing to do is the long flowing ponytail of the clock. The blade cuts finer. Backing board thins both sides of the edge. The indentation knife scratches the wire marks. Scissors cut out the ends and tips of the hair. Adjust the curvature of the tail. Make 2 ponytails. Stick it on the floral wire for support. The wire is wrapped in 1/3 of the 2 hair pieces. Finally, adjust the elegant feeling of the ponytail. After drying, add school glue. Insert head. Paint the end of the hair brown. Apply all the way to the middle of the hair. The tail position on both sides of the hair. It is also a gradual change of brown and yellow. After painting, press the golden clay into thin sheets. Cut out the squares. You can cut a few more small squares for later use. The knife draws a small square on the square. Yellow paint covers the small square in the middle.